So hey guys, finally the iOS 26.3.1a update is out, and some of you might be wondering why it is not showing up on your software update menu. You must have tried restarting your device as well. You must have tried uninstalling profiles, but still the update might not show up here. So in this video, I'm going to cover what exactly are these ABC updates, the updates which have an alphabet at their end, and how you can install them. So basically these are not major updates, and they automatically gets installed along with the next iOS which you update on your iPhone. So for example, the current update is iOS 26.3.1a, and guys, once you install the iOS 26.3.2 or the iOS 26.4, this update will automatically get installed on your iPhone. But still, if you don't want to wait for the next iOS update to come, you can manually install it. So basically, this is my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and this update is compatible with every device which has a support of iOS 26. So you will not get this update directly in the software update menu due to some very odd reasons. You'll have to go into privacy and security, and you'll have to click on this background security in updates, and guys, as you can see here, you'll find this update of iOS 26.3.1a. so basically this update is available for iPad OS, Mac OS, and obviously your iPhones. Even if you skip this update right now, it will automatically get installed with the iOS 26.3.2 or the iOS 26.4. Currently, as you can see, this update will fix this patch processing maliciously web crafted activity. Anyway, you just need to click on install. You need to enter your password, and guys, this update will download and automatically install it on your device. So now I'm getting an option to restart and install. I'll just click on it. I'll just click on restart and install, and basically my phone will restart, and within a matter of seconds this update will be installed. And so guys, as you can see, I am on the iOS 26.3.1 update now. And the good thing is that if you feel like your device has become slow after installing this update, you can go back to your privacy and settings. You can click on background security information, and guys, from here you can remove this background update as well. This is the best part about these kind of update. Anyway guys, I certainly hope that you came to see only this in this video, and if you liked the video, just drop a like, and if you didn't like the video, feel free to drop a dislike as well. I am Harsh. I keep uploading videos of such kind on my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.